Marcus's investment was frozen. Julian was cooperating with the SEC, and Marcus was about to learn the most important lesson yet: what to do after a loss. A federal building in Lower Manhattan. Marcus told the SEC everything. Julian Cross had been flagged for undisclosed conflicts of interest. Marcus's investment was under review. Walking out of that building, Marcus noticed something. He wasn't destroyed. His foundation was still there.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I think I actually am. 6 months ago, losing 5,000 would have destroyed me. Not just financially, psychologically, I would have given up on all of it. Now I have a plan, I have a foundation. The 5,000 was bucket 3 money, the rest keeps growing anyway.
You figured it out.
Core lesson: diversification means spreading your investments across different assets. The 3-bucket strategy puts stability first, growth second, and speculation last. Dollar cost averaging means investing a fixed amount every month, removing emotion from the equation and turning market dips into buying opportunities. He set up the automatic transfer, $400 a month, 4 minutes, the most valuable 4 minutes of his financial life. Month by month, quietly building, the line did not go straight up, but it always went up. Meanwhile, Elena had her own reckoning. She pulled up her own portfolio for the first time. She had been protecting herself for 12 years, but protection can become its own kind of trap. Too safe is also a mistake. Risk aversion has a cost. It is called lost growth.
You put all your eggs in bucket 3 before bucket 1 was full. Build the base first, then take calculated risks with a small amount.
Real-world mirror. A Vanguard study found that investors with a clear financial plan accumulate on average 3 times more wealth over 25 years. Strategy beats luck every time. For the first time, Marcus wrote his financial plan down. On paper, concrete his. Debt going down, investments going up, 2 lines moving in opposite directions, both exactly right. Then Julian called.
I'm cooperating fully. The company is real. Your money is real. There were undisclosed conflicts. I was wrong. I'm fixing it.
Julian, why did you really come to me? Out of all the people on LinkedIn.
Because you reminded me of myself at 31, talented, ambitious, running so fast you haven't noticed you're running in circles.
You taught me something, Julian, not what you intended. Smart people make bad decisions for emotional reasons too. You're not different from my father. You're just better at hiding it.
That might be the most accurate thing anyone has ever said to me. Take care of yourself, Marcus.
Elena opened the order window for Ethereum, 3% of her portfolio. It felt enormous. Core lesson on crypto. Bitcoin rose 1,400% in 2017, then fell 84% in 2018. The technology is real. The risk is also real. Never more than 5% of your portfolio. She clicked. It was not easy, but she clicked. Real-world mirror. The crypto investors who did well treated it as a small long-term position, not a lottery ticket. The ones who lost everything did the opposite. Month by month, auto-invest running, debt going down, portfolio growing. Marcus had found his rhythm. Elena's Ethereum went up 11%. She almost sold it. She read her own notes and held. 3 months later, the SEC investigation concluded. No fraud, company legitimate. Refund $4,200 of $5,000 invested, $800 lost, tuition paid. The city did not change, the rent did not get cheaper, he changed, and that made all the difference.